Hey guys, welcome back. So today tutorial will be on this eyebrow. So the eyebrow is very simple and very easy to do. So just look at the way I'm doing it, guys. This eyebrow tutorial is very simple. So I'm using carrot gel eyeliner, guys, and this carrot gel eyeliner comes in two colors, black and brown. So I'm using the brown shade there with the small angle brush that come with the eyeliner. So that is what I'm basically doing now. So I'm just tracing my eyebrow now. I'm tracing my eyebrow. So I'll be filling it again. So just let me know if you have any question. Let me know at the comment section below. I'll be glad to answer you guys. So just let me know if you have any question, guys. So I'm doing the other side now. Just look at the way I'm doing my hand, guys. This eyebrow is very easy, very simple. So I'm tracing my eyebrow now. So after that I'll be filling it. So now I'll be filling the eyebrow. I'm filling the eyebrow now. I'm still filling the eyebrow. That's what I'm still doing, guys. So please don't forget to like, comment, share my video with your loved ones, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. I would really love it if you guys do so. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also follow me on my Instagram page at glambeauty30. So now I'll be using LA Pride concealer. That's what I'm using, the medium shade and the dark shade there. So that's the concealer I'll be using now. So with my flat angle brush, that is what I'll be using. Just look at the way I'm doing it, guys. If you are doing the process, you have to be patient. You have to be just, guys, I'm using the concealer now. I'm still using the concealer now. So if you are doing this process, you just have to take your time, guys. Don't be in a hurry to do this. Take your time. If you notice me, I'm just taking my time. Don't be in a hurry, because if you're in a hurry to do your eyebrow, you may not get the perfect shape that you want. So just take your time whenever you are doing this process, and I'm very sure gradually you are going to get it. So now I'm still using concealer in the other in the other face now. So after doing this video, I now notice that this area, that is this brow, is not as perfect as the other one. There is one thing about eyebrow, guys. Eyebrow are not twins, or they are sisters. It's just that we just have to try our possible best for the brow not to be that obvious that is not correct, you understand? So just take your time whenever you are doing it, guys, and I'm very sure the more you do it, the more your hand will be changing about the eyebrow. That is one thing I noticed. The more you do it, the more you'll be expert in doing it. So I'm using my blending brush now. That's what I'm using, my small blending brush now, to blend all the concealer, guys. So I'm concealing the upper area now, guys. So we are doing this process, don't forget, just take your time. Don't be in a hurry, guys. Don't be in a hurry. Take your time. So please don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. Help your girl to grow. Please help your girl to grow on Instagram. Help your girl. So this is it, guys. This is it about the bro. So I'm very sorry, when I'm recording this, my student made me say do not finish filming everything for me. So this is all about it, guys. Let me know if you have any question.